Hello, welcome to another new session of Shulagna's Bioblog. This is the second part of the MCQ on urinary system. Question number 1. Large volume of urine is produced in option A polyuria, option B oligouria, option C anuria, option D none of these. The right answer is option A polyuria. Question number 2. The cation of extracellular fluid is option A calcium, option B potassium, option C sodium, option D magnesium. The right answer is option C sodium. Question number 3. Potassium is commonly found in large amount in option A extracellular fluid, option B intracellular fluid, option C interstitial fluid, option D none of these. The right answer is option B intracellular fluid. Question number 4. Pancreatic and intestinal juice is rich in option A calcium, option B magnesium, option C manganese, option D potassium. The right answer is option D potassium. Question number 5. Gastric juice is rich in option A sodium, option B calcium, option C potassium, option D chloride. The right answer is option A sodium. Question number 6. Sodium and potassium are reabsorbed by option A pancreas, option B colon, option B liver, option C colon, option D appendix. The right answer is option C colon. Question number 7. The pH of blood is maintained by option A bicarbonate buffer, option B ammonia, option C sulfuric acid, option D both A and B. The right answer is option D both A and B. That means bicarbonate buffer and ammonia both are used to maintain the pH of the blood. Question number 8. Angiotensinogen is secreted by, this is the precursor molecule, it is secreted by kidney, lungs, liver and heart. The right answer is option C liver. Angiotensinogen is precursor of angiotensin. Question number 9. Angiotensinogen is converted to angiotensin by option A renin, option B gastrin, option C ACE, that is angiotensin converting enzyme, option D secretin. The right answer is option A renin. Question number 10. Which of the following is a vasoconstrictor? Option A renin, option B ACE, option C aldosterone, option D none of these. The right answer is option B ACE. Question number 11. Ureter contains which of the following layers? Option A outer covering fibrous connective tissue, option B middle muscular layer, option C inner layer, option D all of the above. The right answer is option D all of the above. Question number 12. Which is not a part of urinary bladder? Option A outer layer of loose connective tissue, option B middle layer consisting muscle fibers, option C inner mucosa consisting of transitional epithelium, option D papilla and fibrous tissue. The right answer is option D fibrous papilla and fibrous tissue. These are not present in urinary bladder. The other three, that means outer layer, middle layer and inner layer, these are present found in urinary bladder. Question number 13. Which of the following is not found in nephrotic syndrome? Option A hyperlipidemia, option B hypocalcemia, option C proteinuria, option D edema. The right answer is option B hypocalcemia. It is not found in nephrotic syndrome. The others are found, means in nephrotic syndrome hyperlipidemia, proteinuria, edema, all are the characteristics or all are found in nephrotic syndrome. Question number 14. Which is true about glomerulonephritis? Options are option A diabetic nephropathy, option B SLE systemic lupus erythematosus, option C both of these, means both of A and B, option D none of these. The right answer is option C both of these, diabetic nephropathy and systemic lupus erythematosus. Both are found in case of glomerulonephritis. Question number 15. Oliguria is accompanied by option A metabolic acidosis, option B alkalosis, option C hypertension, option D all of these. The right answer is option A metabolic acidosis. Oliguria is accompanied by metabolic acidosis. Question number 16. Which is true about acute nephritis? Question number option A oliguria, option B hematuria, option C polyuria, option D both A and B, option E both B and C. The right answer is option D, A and B. Oliguria and hematuria are found in acute nephritis. Question number 17. Nocturia means option A passing urine at night, option B no urination, option C heavy urination, option D both A and B. The right answer is option A passing urine at night. Question number 18. Ketonuria. Which is true about it? Which is true about ketonuria? Option A ketone body in urine, option B diabetes mellitus, option C starvation, option D all of these. The right answer is option D all of these. Question number 19. Which of the following are the causes of calculi? Option A dehydration, option B raised pH, option C infection, option D all of these. The right answer is option D all of these. Renal calculi can be formed by dehydration, raised pH, infection. For all may be the predisposing factors or the causes of renal calculi or kidney stone. Renal calculi means kidney stone. Question number 20. Renal calculi is formed by option A oxalate, option B carbonate, option C citrate, option D malate. The right answer is option A oxalate. Renal calculi is formed by oxalate. These questions are very useful to you. So please watch the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.